Think marks. Good readers don't just read the words on a page. They ask questions and wonder if what they are reading makes sense. This helps them to understand the text in much more detail. One way to build better understanding of a text is with think marks. These are special codes that we put on text as we read. They show us what we are thinking. If there's something in the text that you can see really clearly in your head, you would use this symbol to show, I can see this part. If there's a word in the text that you don't understand the meaning of, you would use the symbol that shows, what's this word? If you have figured out something in the text, or if it makes sense to you, use this symbol to show, I understand this part. Now that you know what each symbol means, I'm going to show you how I use think marks whilst I'm reading. This text is from a story called Worm Surfing. The chapter is called Surf's Up. Surf's up. It is wet. It is windy. The worms are happy. Surf's up, they call. The wind blows. The grass sways above them. Leaves race across the lawn. I woke up to a very wet and windy morning recently. So I'm going to put in, I can see this part, think mark, just here. I can picture exactly what kind of day this is. I already know that worms like it when it rains. I've seen them wriggling around in the grass. So I'm going to put in, I understand this part, think mark here. Surf's up, they call. The wind blows. The grass sways above them. Leaves race across the lawn. I'm not sure what the words surf's up mean, so I'm going to put a what's this word think mark next to them. Let's check what the word surf means. Surf can be a noun. It means the waves that roll onto the shore. Surf can also be a verb. It means to ride on waves using a surfboard. I'm still not sure what surf's up means, but the rest of the text might help me find out. I can picture the wind blowing the grass and the leaves. I think the grass looks like the waves and the leaves might be like surfboards. I'm going to put another I can see this part think note here. I think I know what surf's up means. The grassy waves are perfect, so the worms call each other to come worm surfing. Now I know what this means. I'm putting another I understand this part think mark here. You can use think marks to show what is going on in your head as you read. Thinking as you read makes the story come alive.